Hello everyone, my name is Aviraj Singh and I welcome you to the Urban Charisma YouTube channel. Today's topic is very interesting. We're going over a few style and fashion mistakes that a lot of men are still making in 2020. So let's get started. Look, you might be the coolest and the most good looking guy in the room. But if you're doing these things, then you're definitely killing your style game. We all must have made these mistakes, but not anymore. Style mistake number one, wearing ill-fitted clothes. This is probably one of the biggest style killers in the game. Now, as for the t-shirts, you might think that wearing a loose or baggy t-shirt or even a shirt makes you look like a cool dude and gives out a chilled out vibe, but that is certainly not the case. Probably you are making a style mistake which even you are not aware of. Wear t-shirts or shirts that fit you well, but not too tight either. You want to look like this or like this? The choice is yours. Now, coming to the jeans or trousers, they should not be extra loose or falling on your shoes. Get them tailored and they would look much better on you. Here, have a look. You should not look like this, but like this. This looks much better. So, both the extremes would hamper your style. Neither too tight nor too loose. Just the right fit is the way to go. Style mistake number two, wearing a lot of patterns in a single outfit. Too many patterns clubbed into a single outfit just doesn't look good. For example, if you're going for a checkered shirt, then opt for a plain t-shirt underneath it, not a printed one. Here, have a look. This outfit looks much better as compared to this one. So be careful about your patterns. The next mistake is quite common, wearing the same colors over and over again. Guys, personally, I love wearing black, but that doesn't mean that I'm wearing black all the time or everywhere I go. I like to experiment with my colors and see which colors work for me and which doesn't. And so should you. You should also go for different options, different colors, different patterns and see what suits you. So my friends, get out of your comfort zone and try something new. Coming to mistake number four, not wearing accessories. See, accessories are a part of my wardrobe and they must be a part of yours too. Wearing a stylish watch, a cool pair of sunglasses, a nice minimal necklace or even a bracelet adds so much detail to your outfit and instantly elevates your look. But you must be careful. Don't wear all these accessories all together, otherwise you might end up looking like this. Wearing the right pair of shoes is an extremely important part of your overall outfit. And unfortunately, in a lot of cases, this is what most guys look past. Wearing sports shoes or big bulky shoes with every single outfit is a huge fashion mistake. And I see a lot of college students doing this. Instead, you should go for sneakers, boots, loafers, or dress shoes if you're wearing something formal, because these look much better. Shoes really define your personality. So you must always wear good quality shoes, and that too, keeping in mind the occasion. Mistake number six, wearing white socks. The contrast is too harsh and it doesn't look good. You can wear white socks, but only if you're going out for some sports activities. Let me tell you a simple rule for wearing socks. Always match the color of your socks with the color of your shoes or with the color of your pants. Black, blue, brown or dark gray, these are the safest options. If you stick to the simple rule, you'll be good to go. Coming to the last but one of the most important points. Now, even if you have great clothes on, you're wearing nice shoes and you're rocking cool accessories, but if you don't keep a check on this, it can completely ruin your style. I'm talking about bad hygiene or bad grooming. This should not happen, guys. This seriously should not happen. You need to put an effort to groom yourself up. Make sure you smell good, wear nice fragrance, trim your beard, But it doesn't mean that I'm telling you to be plain shaven all the time, because frankly, it gets kind of boring. Even I get bored with the way I look sometimes, so I like to switch it up a bit. Whichever look you choose, make sure that you look well groomed in that look. Get a fresh haircut after every few weeks, as it gives you a neat and stylish look. Take proper care of your skin, groom up yourself, and follow a skincare routine. Grooming and maintaining personal hygiene is the key, guys. Do it properly. A pro tip for you all. In order to be super stylish and attractive, you need to wear one more thing, and that is confidence. You need to carry yourself with confidence and live in the clothes that you're wearing. Check out my video on how to be more likable and attractive, the 8 proven tips to bring out the best possible version of yourself. It will be listed in the I button over here. So guys, this was my input regarding some of the fashion mistakes that a lot of people make, but I hope that from now onwards, you won't be making them anymore. I hope you guys liked this video and gained something from it. And if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and become a part of the community. Also click the notification bell. Make sure to check out my Instagram as well. There will be a link to it in the description below. That's it from me today. I'll see you next time.